report, the different bureaus sometimes report the same account differently. The day last activity can be different, the start date can be different, balances can be different. They can't all be right. So credit repair in my company is the process of verifying that those items on a credit report meet that three-pronged test, accurate, timely, and verifiable. And if they don't meet that test, it has to be removed. It's not the consumer's job to make sure, to prove that it's inaccurate. It's actually the person that's putting that trade line on the credit report. It's their job to prove that it is 100% accurate.